Meta released these new Oakley sunglasses and they're meant for action. Come with me and let's see how much action they're meant for. I've been using Meta glasses for almost a year now and they finally released an upgrade. Just look at this 3K quality. These look so much bluer in comparison. The new Oakleys have got quite a warm magenta look to them. We're just getting started. Let's head back to the studio so we can compare these two and figure out, are the Oakleys really worth $100 more?
Now, one of the biggest features that honestly first-time buyers are gonna go straight to the Oakleys for is
double the battery life. That means that I get to keep going all day long. So the fun never has to stop.
we're looking at 8 hours on these compared to the 4. When you're recording video back to back to back, like I am, you're really only getting like less than an hour on these Ray-Bans. When it comes to image quality, you're gonna have to give the clear win to the Oakleys because we're getting 3K over 2K, which might not sound like a big win as far as portrait shooters if you're going onto your stories. It just makes the Oakleys a little more capable. You can be the judge of that whenever we're gonna crop in for horizontal footage. As you can see, both of these cameras really don't perform any different in low light. Now, I don't know if there's a separate sensor from either of these models, but maybe they're just processing the image differently. That could be a reason why we're not seeing a difference in the low light performance. So we're only getting 12 megapixels on both of these.
How good is the audio on these things? Commenters have asked, and well, compared to the Meta Ray-Bans, I'd say these are much louder.
So all day use, I am noticing that I kind of have to keep pushing up on the Ray-Bans. That's just a normal thing for me. I don't know about my head shape or size, but I'm just gonna go all in for the Oakleys as far as comfort. The look and feel of these Oakleys are gonna be more sporty. I do find they fit on my face a lot better than these Ray-Bans. And honestly, I think they're a lot more comfortable. And for that reason, I think I would go with them over the Ray-Bans. These are sunglasses at the end of the day. You can't really use them inside, so I'm gonna still be using my Ray-Bans. These cases are roughly the same size, heavier on the Oakley side. It sounds really nice too. More of a secure case, while this is kind of more of a flat. I've also noticed button on the Ray-Bans is starting to get a little beat up. USBs both on the bottom, nothing really that different there. Now these Oakleys are actually rated IPX4,
which means they're sweat resistant, which we're gonna need in summer. It's mid-July, come on guys. If this doesn't get it, I don't know what will.
Nice to know you're sweat protected because we're all sweating a lot. I think that the Oakleys could have just gone full waterproof and that would get a lot more people interested. I've really taken these Ray-Bans on demolition sites, all because I want to get the behind the scenes. Honestly, with Meta glasses in general, pressing the button I do find a little tricky to know whenever I'm recording, especially if I'm in a loud environment. The most foolproof way is to just say, hey Meta, record a video, or hey Meta, take a picture. The really cool thing I noticed out in the field, whenever I have someone else wearing my glasses, I can say, hey Meta, record a video, and it will start it on both of the cameras. So I think that's a really cool way to get your footage synced up. And a real good time to use the hey Meta is whenever both of your hands are, say, on a steering wheel while you're driving. I find whenever I'm driving, I want to ask a question, and honestly, a lot of those scenarios I am using Meta. Now, another thing I like to do is just use ChatGPT, and I'll turn on the voice assistant right as soon as I hop in the car. I'll be honest, guys, actually having ChatGPT listen to this video right now, and it's critiquing what I'm saying.
Absolutely. I'll be here and I'll listen in. Just let me know if you need any feedback or if you want me to jump in at any point.
Hey, ChatGPT, say hi to the viewers.
Hey, everyone, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
We're coming to a conclusion that Oakleys are gonna be the easy winner, and that's gonna be double battery life, better image quality, and the fact that they are IPX4 just means you're going to be able to use them in more scenarios. I use them nearly every day, just like other AI. If you're thinking about picking one of these up, I'm a big fan of the Oakleys. I think it's worth $100 more, but I'm also recording a lot of content. I see these as tools that I am investing in. So if you're just kind of using them for fun, it's kind of up to you what you think. I hope I could provide some insight. But yeah, the Oakleys, they feel great. They look great. Some people might think the look is weird, but it is growing on me. Again, I'm looking forward to the transitional or the clear versions of Oakleys, but for now, inside cases, I will continue to use my Ray-Bans. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, comment down below. I really want to make a lot more videos on these wearables. And until next time, peace.